G'day guys, and welcome back to MG Rebuild. Today we're going to do some more work on the rear suspension and see if we can put it on its wheels. Won't be all four, and I'll tell you why. Keep watching to the end for the announcement of the winners of the giveaway and some more exciting information as well. Okay guys, I've got some new rubber stops for the rear axle. I did say before I need to put the weight on the chassis to be able to actually get the axle close enough to be able to mount these, but I've come up with a different way. Okay, what I'm going to use is a tie-down strap. Okay, who can see the problem? With the actual strap in place, I can't put this in. Now the chassis is not heavy enough for me to put a jack under it. It will just lift the whole chassis up, so I've got to work out another way. As you can see, that was bloody hard work, real hard. So anyway, it's in now, one of two. Just release the pressure. And it's done. Okay. One side down, one to go. I won't bother showing you because it's basically repeating the same thing again, just more frustration. Okay, the day's finally come where I actually get to put it back on its wheels. Now, like I said before, it's only 3 out of the 4 wheels. That is because I had a little bit of damage to the front hub assembly on the left-hand side, so I had to get a new spindle, and which I've got. I'm just waiting for a new nut to come now, so I can still put the other 3 on and move it around a bit. So let's see how we go. It's rolling once again. Oh, it's 3 wheels. But that 4th wheel will be all fixed up later this week when the parts arrive. Yep. Yeah. Okay. Now, as I said, excuse me, very, very hot at the moment. Very hot. Just been doing some gardening at the same time as working on the car. Anyway, like I said at the start of the video, I'm announcing the winners of the two winners of the magazines, and their names are just down there. Congratulations, guys. I will be sending you an email very, very soon, and then we can actually get them posted out to you. So if you haven't already noticed, the t-shirt I'm wearing is one for the channel, MG Rebuild. Now, they've just been released in the stores, or in the store, in my store actually. So I'll put the link in the description if you want to buy one. There's all different sizes, men's and women's, all different colours. So if you like it, grab one. The website is mgrebuild.store, so mgrebuild.store, and like I said, that'll be in the description. But please grab one. Help me out, and we can then keep this channel going a lot harder and a lot stronger, and a lot longer too. Anyway, there will be more giveaways coming up very soon. Never know, might be one of these shirts. Now, there will be more designs of the shirts coming out within the next few weeks, but at the moment this is the only one, but I'm pretty sure that you will like it. Anyway, this is all for today's video, and we'll see you next time.